Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the best metal detectors of 2025? Here are my full reviews of the best metal detectors of 2025. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Discover hidden treasures with the 13 Metal Detector for Adults Professional Series. Unleash your inner treasure hunter with our 13 Metal Detector, designed for adults seeking professional-grade performance. Equipped with a powerful double-D waterproof search coil, this detector offers exceptional depth and accuracy in a variety of terrains. From sandy beaches to wooded trails, whether you're searching for gold, silver, coins, or relics, its high sensitivity and advanced disc mode help you efficiently distinguish between valuable metals and junk. The pinpoint function allows for precise location targeting, reducing digging time and improving your overall experience. The LCD backlight display ensures clear readings in any lighting condition, while the intuitive interface makes it easy for beginners and seasoned detectorists alike. Its ergonomic design and adjustable stem provide comfort during long adventures. Whether you're a hobbyist or a serious prospector, this professional-grade metal detector is your reliable partner in exploration. Start your journey today and uncover what lies beneath with confidence and precision. Unearth the past, one signal at a time. Number 2. Hazlewolke Metal Detector for Adults. Powerful, accurate, and built to explore. Discover treasure with confidence using the Hazlewolke Metal Detector for Adults. Engineered for both beginners and seasoned hunters, this advanced detector features 5 professional search modes to help you accurately identify a variety of metals, from gold and silver to iron and aluminum, with precision. Equipped with a 10 waterproof search coil, it's perfect for detecting in rivers, beaches, and wet grasslands, expanding your exploration possibilities. The detector's high sensitivity and upgraded chip technology ensure deeper detection and reduced signal interference, helping you uncover hidden objects others might miss. With a rechargeable battery offering up to 20 hours of continuous use, you can hunt longer without interruption. Whether you're on a weekend adventure or a dedicated search mission, the Hazlewolke Metal Detector is your reliable companion. Designed for adults with an adjustable stem and ergonomic grip, it offers both comfort and performance. Start your treasure hunting journey today with Hazlewolke, where precision meets adventure. Unlock the world beneath your feet. Number 3. Minelab Xterra Intrepid All-Terrain Precision Metal Detector for Adults. Discover the thrill of treasure hunting with the Minelab Xterra Intrepid, a professional-grade metal detector built for performance in any environment. Designed for serious hobbyists and outdoor explorers, the Xterra Intrepid combines advanced pinpointing accuracy with user-friendly controls and rugged. Equipped with a waterproof coil, this detector is ready to take on challenging terrains, whether you're scanning dry land, muddy trails, or shallow water. The 2 powerful detect modes allow you to easily switch between searching for all metals and discriminating specific targets, giving you flexibility for various types of hunts. With its clear target ID system, the Xterra Intrepid helps identify metal types quickly and accurately, reducing unnecessary digging and maximizing your efficiency. From coins and relics to hidden jewelry and lost treasures, this detector brings your finds to life with precision and clarity. Lightweight and ergonomic, the Xterra Intrepid is built for all-day comfort. Whether you're a seasoned detectorist or a determined beginner, this machine delivers professional results every time. Experience the power, reliability, and accuracy of the Minelab Xterra Intrepid, your ultimate partner in all-terrain metal detecting adventures. Get ready to unearth more than just metal. Discover the excitement buried beneath your feet. Number 4. SuperEye Underwater Metal Detector for Professional Adults. Dive into a world of discovery with the SuperEye Underwater Metal Detector, built for professional adults who demand precision. Equipped with a high-sensitivity 8.6 search coil, this device is designed to detect even the smallest metal objects with incredible accuracy. Whether you're exploring beaches, lakes, or ocean floors, the IP68 waterproof rating ensures reliable operation up to several feet underwater, making it ideal for treasure hunting in challenging environments. The SuperEye features an advanced small object filter to minimize unwanted signals so you can focus on valuable finds. Its bright LED indicators and audible alarm system offer clear real-time feedback, while the included headphones allow for discreet operation even in noisy surroundings. Ergonomically designed for comfort during extended use, this underwater detector is lightweight yet rugged. Whether you're a seasoned detectorist or a passionate hobbyist, the SuperEye delivers the technology and durability you need for serious underwater metal detecting. Take your adventures to the next level with the SuperEye, where precision meets performance beneath the surface. Perfect for uncovering coins, jewelry, and historical artifacts, this detector is your gateway to underwater treasures. Number 5. Discover hidden treasures with the 13 Professional Metal Detector for Adults. Unlock the excitement of treasure hunting with our 13 Metal Detector for Adults, a professional-grade tool designed for hobbyists and serious explorers alike. Featuring a large double-D waterproof search coil, this detector offers exceptional ground coverage and depth, making it ideal for beaches, rivers, forests, and whether you're searching for gold, silver, relics, or coins, its high sensitivity ensures you won't miss a thing. Equipped with a precise pinpoint function and advanced disc mode, this detector allows you to accurately identify and filter out unwanted metals, saving time and enhancing your treasure hunting efficiency. The easy-to-read LCD backlight display provides real-time detection data, including signal strength, depth, and battery status, even in low-light conditions. Built with durability in mind, the adjustable stem and ergonomic design ensure comfort during extended use. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced detectorist, this powerful tool will elevate your search game. Start your journey into the world of discovery with confidence. The 13 Professional Metal Detector is your reliable partner for finding hidden gems just beneath the surface. Adventure awaits. Grab yours today and unearth the past, one signal at a time.